Ladies and gentlemen, here we have another huge student accommodation property. It consists of, I think it is 45 rooms with 3 kitchens and 5, most of the rooms are ensuite. Here you can see one of the kitchens. Here is another of the kitchens, and then the accommodation extends all over. It is almost like a look at all the rooms. You know, it seems to be never ending. It's mostly dry walls here. There are closed circuit television which can remotely monitored. And we're back into this kitchen and living area, and now we're going to go downstairs just to have a look at some more of the 45 plus rooms here. You can see them all. With lockers, so it continues down the passages. More locker rooms and bedrooms, which is all fitted with a single or a queen size bed and desk and cupboard space. We're going downstairs to the central reception area. There's also washing machine facilities that work with a token system, and this is where people will come into the accommodation, and then it continues down at the bottom almost endlessly. Here is another of the kitchens available to the students. There seems to be a television also, another kind of lounge area. Property is not spectacularly brilliant condition, but it's all functional and they're keeping their eye on it. They have several kind of storerooms to upkeep the building, this being a garage converted into storage space. If you want to know more, Werner, I'm your man. Talk to me about your property investment requirements. I've got several new listings belonging actually to the same owner that is coming up for sale now. Thank you for watching.